Hi, I'm Sophie. In this video, I'm going to share with you and show you how to use a derma roller safely at home. Derma rolling at home is one of the best ways to maximize the penetration of your products. Without using this type of tool, you're only getting 4 to 10% absorption of your products. By adding this into your beauty routine, you actually will be getting up to 70% or more, so your products won't be going to waste anymore. By safely and gently opening the microchannels of your skin, like with the tool we're going to be using today, you're going to be naturally stimulating growth factors that's going to build more collagen and give you a younger, smoother, plumper, gorgeous complexion. With the tool that I'm going to be using today, it's by Kourtney and Poosh. It's very pretty rose gold. And the length of the needles is 0.3, which is perfectly safe to start out with. Anything more than that, I wouldn't start out with. Anything above 0.5 is for clinical use only. So 0.3 or less in length is probably the safest, just to see how your skin's going to react. So before we get started, you want to make sure your skin is perfectly cleansed. Try to use something to clean your skin that's not leaving any extra residue or dirt. You also want to make sure that your tool is properly sterilized. So it's recommended to use alcohol to cleanse it. I also swish it in a little bit of boiling water. I just want to make sure that there's no alcohol left over that could actually get into the microchannels of my skin. The last thing I do is inspect the tool to make sure that there's no bent needles. All of them want to be perfect and straight. Otherwise, you could actually damage. I always like to do this at nighttime. The microchannels of your skin can stay open for up to 3 hours, which is great because you're absorbing and penetrating all those healthy products that you're going to follow up with. But you want to make sure you're not following up with anything toxic or harsh. Or you want to start with light to no pressure. These tools are already designed to open your microchannels without any pressure. So you want to kind of go back and forth at about this speed in every direction. Horizontal. And you can already see my skin is starting to get flesh, which is what you want. It doesn't hurt at all. This is gonna help you absorb any products that you put in this area. Is gonna reduce the appearance of fine lines, acne scars. You definitely don't want to go over any type of active acne. Now, some people don't do the nose. I like to do the nose just because I really notice the difference from how it reduces the size of my pores. It really helps with pigmentation. Around the eyes, you just almost want to like a feather, very light and gentle. Anything longer than this needle, I wouldn't even go near the eyes. Now, doing the neck is optional. I like it, so I'm gonna do it. So now that I rolled all over my face, the microchannels are open and they're ready to absorb a good. This is by Kourtney and Poosh Hyaluronic Halo. I already know my skin loves it. It's not my first time trying it. So I am going to press it into my skin. This is such a nutrient-rich serum. It's full of vitamin C, B, hyaluronic acid, which is plumping and hydrating. It's perfect for after rolling. And it also has CBD. I just like to press it in. I feel like it penetrates deeper. So that's it. I like to do this in the evening to let my skin fully just absorb and marinate in this overnight. And that way tomorrow I can wake up with beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. Thank you for watching.